Hey guys, welcome to another pranayam practice. Today we'll be practicing Bhramari Pranayama. This pranayam helps in alleviating anger, anxiety and insomnia, as well as helps in increasing the healing capacity of the body. The humming vibrations done during the practice create a soothing effect on the mind and the nervous system. So let's begin our practice. Sit comfortably, either cross-legged on the floor or on a chair if you have a knee or a leg injury, with hands on the knees. Just watch me the first time so that you understand how we do Bhramari, and then we will practice together. Close your eyes and relax your entire body. Lips should be closed and teeth slightly separated throughout the practice. Raise the arms and bring the hands to the ears. Use your thumbs to press the flaps of the ears to close the ears. Place your index and middle fingers gently on the eyelids and then place the last two fingers above and below the lips. Bring awareness to the center of the head. Take a deep breath in and then exhale in a slow, controlled manner, making a deep, steady humming sound. Feel the vibration in your skull. Now join me in 4 more rounds of this. Take a deep breath in and then slowly exhale out, making humming sounds. The sound should be soft and continuous throughout the exhalation. Once more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Last round. Bring your hands together in front of you and keep your eyes closed. Start rubbing the palms together to create heat in the palms. Then cup your hands and place them over your eyelids. Feel the heat of the palms through your eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. That's all for this session. I'll see you soon.